Hey everyone, you have got to see this. I found Chase's actual truck from Paw Patrol. Let's go check it out together and find Chase. Look, this is Marshall's helmet. I didn't think we'd find this on the way to the truck. That means Marshall's here too. Drop a like if you love Marshall. Whoa, Chase. Is that you? Guys, look how cute he is. Let's go explore everything together with him. I see something big in the grass. Oh, where are you going? All right, I'll catch up with you. Look what I found. This is Chase's glider. It's huge, just like in the cartoon. I see Chase's truck. Hey pup, I got you. Let's go check out the truck together. Guys, pinch me. This is actually Chase's truck. It looks a little different in real life, but this is definitely it. I wonder why this van ended up out here. Did someone need urgent help? Hopefully we'll find out. This pup won't leave me alone. Haha, maybe this is actually your truck? Alright, let me know if you want more videos with him. Alright, go on and run. I'll keep checking out the truck. There's still more cool stuff in here. Look, Chase always saved his friends with this winch. Although, there are some scratches here. Hope Paw Patrol's doing okay. Whoa, it's really high up here. Whoa, look what I found. This is Marshall's water cannon, right? Oh, look, there's still some water left here. Although there's not much. Looks like Marshall was putting out a fire and it ran out. Whoa, this is Chase's combat helmet. He'd wear this on the most dangerous missions. That's probably why it's so big. Wait, is this Chase's pup pack? I'll be super careful with it so I don't accidentally shoot the net. This water cannon is way too awesome. I'm sending it to my coolest subscriber. Alright, let's figure out this truck. Everything's so unusual here. Buttons, controls. Whoa, look, something just turned on. Hi, Chase. Help me out. Comment below how to start it. There's a motion and speed sensor here. I need to press this red button. Oh no, an error popped up. Hope I didn't break this truck. In the cartoon, he switched these levers. Let's try it. Guys, something's not working here. Let's try another way. I haven't seen this one in the cartoon. I made it up myself. Finally, yes! I just had to turn this special power sensor. It started. We actually did it. Let's go find Paw Patrol. Look really closely, everyone. Paw Patrol could be somewhere around here. Comment if you spot anything. This little pup is so cute. He's a bit scared and nervous. Drop him a like. I'm holding him tight. Alright, stay calm. We're almost there. You're doing great. Guys, if you'd also love to ride in Chase's truck, drop your city in the comments. I'll definitely come visit you and our adorable pup, Chase. Alright, let's stop and take a look around. Our little Chase is sensing something. Maybe someone's nearby. I'm looking closely. Don't see anyone yet. Just this awesome, massive truck. Let's take one more look at Chase's truck in real life, from every angle. This was such an awesome find. I'm so glad I got to find it out here in the woods. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. And let me know in the comments which Paw Patrol vehicle you want me to find next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.